Redlands Ashland Motors has launched patented armless, twine-winding small round straw balers. This new feature has been introduced after 2 years of extensive field tests. The new armless twine-winding baler from Redlands has been developed through a series of research and development of cutting-edge engineering value additions. The armless twine-winding system has the following advantages. It is faster than the conventional arm-type winding system. Operator safety is sharply enhanced as there is no moving arm. Twine routing ensures that it will not be affected by wind conditions. The end user can use jute or plastic twine. Safety is enhanced as the twine will not fly out in windy conditions as seen on arm-type winding balers, leading to horrible accidents, with operators trying to frequently insert the twine back without stopping the baler. Auto bale ejection reduces operator stress considerably. Maintenance is easier, as the armless winding has less than half the parts of the existing arm-type winding system. The armless winding system is covered by 2 global patents.